Have you ever felt a whisper in the quiet, a subtle energy flowing through you? An unseen force that guides, heals, and empowers? That is the language of the chakras, the 7 energy centers within you, holding the key to your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Like invisible rivers, the chakras channel life energy, also known as prana, throughout your body. When these rivers flow freely, you radiate health and vitality. But when they are blocked, you may experience physical ailments, emotional disturbances, or a sense of spiritual disconnection. This ancient knowledge, passed down through generations, invites you to embark on a journey, a mystical exploration of your own energy system. This is the path of Chakra Meditation, a method of awakening, balancing, and empowering you to live a life of abundant health, deep connection, and unlimited potential. Originating in ancient India thousands of years ago, the knowledge of chakras remained hidden within sacred texts and esoteric teachings. Passed down through lineages of yogis and mystics, this wisdom is now blossoming, offering transformative power to all who seek it. The term chakra comes from the Sanskrit word meaning wheel or disc, signifying the swirling energy vortices located along your spine, from its base to the crown of your head. Each chakra vibrates at a specific frequency, associated with a color, element, and specific aspects of your being. As you delve into the world of chakra meditation, you will discover a fascinating tapestry of ancient wisdom interwoven with modern science, mystical experiences, and profound potential for personal transformation. At the base of your spine lies Muladhara, the root chakra, your anchor to the earth and the foundation of your existence. This energy center governs your sense of safety, survival, and stability. Imagine a vibrant red lotus flower blooming at the base of your spine. This is the energy of the root chakra, grounding you, connecting you to your physical body, and bringing a sense of belonging to the world. When your root chakra is balanced, you feel grounded, secure, and confident. You trust in the universe and your ability to navigate its challenges. However, if this chakra is blocked, you may experience anxiety, fear, or insecurity. Physical manifestations may include lower back pain, digestive issues, or problems with your feet and legs. And just below your navel is Svadhisthana, the sacral chakra, a swirling vortex of orange energy. This is the second energy center of the 7 chakras, located in the lower abdomen, the source of creativity, emotions, and the zest for life. The energy here is like a warm stream, always moving, nourishing your soul and body. This chakra relates to creativity, joy, and emotional flexibility. It is the seat of sensuality, passion, and the ability to experience pleasure and abundance in life. When the energy here flows freely, you feel easily connected to your emotions, enjoy happy moments, and are open to new experiences. You become flexible, adaptable to change, and can express yourself naturally and freely. Imagine, if you will, a luminous orange lotus flower, its 6 petals swirling with creative energy. Each petal represents a quality: joy, harmony, flexibility, passion, creativity, and connection. When this lotus blooms, you feel an endless source of inspiration, urging you to explore and express yourself through art, music, dance, or any creative form. This chakra governs your relationships, your ability to embrace your emotions, and your connection to joy and sensuality. It helps you open your heart, build intimacy and trust with others, and fosters empathy and understanding in relationships. When this chakra is strong, you feel confident expressing your emotions, easily sharing and receiving affection from those around you. When your sacral chakra is balanced, you are in tune with life, embracing your emotions, and expressing your creativity with joy and abandon. You feel energized, inspired, and able to enjoy each present moment. Creativity is not limited to art, but also manifests in how you solve problems, build relationships, and enjoy everyday life. However, if this energy center is blocked, you may experience emotional instability, creative blocks, or difficulty connecting with others. You may feel anxious, ashamed of your emotions, or unable to express yourself naturally. Sometimes this blockage can also make you feel isolated, lack motivation, or lose the joy in life. Physical manifestations can include lower back pain, urinary problems, or reproductive issues. You may also feel tired, stressed, or have difficulty maintaining a work-life balance. Recognizing and caring for this chakra will help you awaken your creative energy, live fully with your emotions, and enjoy deep joy in every daily experience. In the solar plexus, just above your navel, lies Manipura, the solar plexus chakra, a brilliant yellow sun radiating confidence, willpower, and personal power. Here, this golden energy source is not only the center of inner strength, but also the starting point for all decisive actions in life. When you feel this light, you will find yourself motivated, ready to face challenges and overcome any obstacles. This is the seat of self-esteem, the ability to take action, and your sense of purpose in the world. This chakra helps you recognize your self-worth, awakening the confidence to stand firm in the face of life's storms. When Manipura is strong, you will feel empowered to make choices, control your life, and not hesitate to express yourself. Imagine a brilliant yellow lotus flower, its 10 petals unfolding like sunbeams. Each petal represents a positive quality: confidence, courage, willpower, perseverance, self-respect, creativity, leadership, decisiveness, honesty, and self-control. When these qualities blend, you will feel inner strength spreading throughout your body and mind. This chakra empowers you to step into your full potential, make clear decisions, and turn your desires into reality. When Manipura is activated, you will feel like a guide for your own life, no longer afraid of big or small choices. You will dare to dream, dare to act, and dare to take responsibility for what you choose. When your solar plexus chakra is balanced, you radiate confidence, assert your needs, and pursue your goals with unwavering determination. You will feel energized, ready to embrace every opportunity, and not hesitate to express yourself to others. This confidence not only helps you succeed in your work, but also brings satisfaction and happiness in your personal life. However, if this energy center is blocked, you may experience low self-esteem, lack of direction, or difficulty making decisions. You may feel inadequate, easily influenced by the opinions of others, and often doubt yourself. This imbalance also makes you prone to anxiety, stress, and loss of motivation in life. Physical manifestations can include digestive problems, ulcers, or issues with your pancreas. Sometimes you may also experience stomach aches, indigestion, or loss of appetite. These are signals your body sends to remind you to pay attention and care for this energy center. When you learn to listen to and nourish Manipura, you will rediscover balance, strength, and radiant light from within yourself. At the center of your chest, near your heart, lies Anahata, the heart chakra, a brilliant green emerald radiating love, compassion, and forgiveness. This chakra is the source of pure, loving emotions, where the energy of connection and healing begins to spread throughout your body and soul. When you place your hand on your chest, you can feel the beating of your heart, as a reminder of the power of love flowing within you every day. This is the bridge between your lower and upper chakras, connecting your physical experiences with your spiritual aspirations. Anahata is the intersection between the physical and spiritual worlds, helping you balance practical needs with deep desires for inner growth. When the energy here flows freely, you will feel connected not only to yourself, but also to all living beings around you. Imagine a vibrant green lotus flower, its 12 petals gently opening to reveal the infinite source of love within. Each petal represents a quality of the heart: trust, hope, forgiveness, gratitude, empathy, and more. When this lotus blooms, it spreads healing energy, helping you open your heart to receive and give love naturally. This chakra governs the ability to give and receive love, nurture compassion for yourself and others, and connect with the world through empathy and understanding. When you truly open your heart, you will feel peace, lightness, and a deep sense of acceptance. You not only know how to love, but also how to forgive, how to put yourself in another's shoes to feel and share. When your heart chakra is balanced, you experience deep love, compassion, and forgiveness. You feel at ease opening your heart to others, building lasting relationships based on trust and mutual respect. This balance also helps you overcome past hurts, heal emotional wounds, and embrace life with renewed joy. You approach yourself and others with kindness, understanding, and an open heart. Every day you spread positive energy, inspiring those around you with sincerity and warmth. You know how to take care of yourself, listen to your emotions, and don't hesitate to express affection to your loved ones. However, if this energy center is blocked, you may experience difficulties in relationships, harbor resentment or bitterness, or find it hard to forgive yourself or others. You may feel lonely, distant, or afraid of being hurt, so you close your heart. Negative emotions like jealousy, fear, or self-doubt can also appear, making it difficult for you to open your heart to new love. Physical manifestations may include heart problems, respiratory issues, or a weakened immune system. Sometimes you may feel a sharp pain in your chest, shortness of breath, or be prone to colds and fatigue. These are signals reminding you to care for and heal your heart so that the energy of love can flow freely again, bringing complete peace and happiness.